Today we're going to make an I Spy Ziploc bag. For this craft, you'll need a template. See the description below for details on how to get supplies for this week's craft. You'll also need some black or dark construction paper, a plastic Ziploc bag of any size, some scissors, some colorful Sharpie or permanent markers, and some crayons or regular old washable markers. To get started, take your Ziploc bag and draw and color an underwater scene on the front of your plastic bag. You can insert a white piece of paper to make it easier to see your drawing. Of course, you don't have to draw an underwater scene if you don't want to. You can draw whatever scene you'd like. Maybe you want to draw a space scene with aliens and planets. It's up to you. Next, color your flashlight template. When you've finished coloring, cut your template out. Insert a black or dark piece of construction paper into your plastic bag. You may need to trim the paper in order to get it to fit. And you're finished. You can now use your flashlight to make the drawings visible.